Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. My name is Sam. Thanks for subscribing. The last 24 hours have been absolutely nuts. Thanks to Lee for shouting me out. I just wanted to jump in here quickly before I put the video out today, just to say thanks for all the subscribers. I can't believe I did over 100 subscribers in the first in that last 24-hour period. Anyway, roll this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. The Lambo's gone. Lee's just collected that. I've just moved in the Grandland X, which we're tinting today. Whoa, trip over my wheels. Grandland X tinting today. This one. I got a Golf, brand new Golf, 22 plate Golf to tint, 5-door, and a VW Shuttle all today. And I've also got to finish weeding Lee's Barum Engine stickers out. The customer's going for a 5% tint, so you're not going to be able to see it at all. It's already got a slight tint to these little quarters, but we'll just take it down that a little bit extra. You'll have complete privacy on there. One thing when you do tint, when you're tinting the back windows, is always look out for this. Where the dealership sticker is, it always leaves a glue remnants of the outline. People don't always clean that off. One little tip there. Okay, so I'm starting with the side doors. Everybody has their personal preference on how they do doors. Some guys just tuck it in along the edge of using a tool with a rubber for speed, but I just take the whole door card off personally. That's how I've always done it. So that's the first one in. Obviously I just need to sort of dress the bottom a little bit of a finger bubble, as they call it, coming up. Obviously on the last clip you'd seen it on the outside where I was prepping it. I prep it as tight as I can so then I can minimise the amount of cutting I have to do, and it sits in there perfectly. We just get, as you can see, right up like a factory finish all the way along and even down into the corners. So there's a fair curvature on this glass, that's why I'm getting these finger bubbles at the bottom. What I should have done is heat shrunk it from there down, just to release for the curve. But now we'll just have to apply a little bit of heat on the inside, just to heat these out and get rid of them. It just means when I get to the next side, I'll just heat that instead of having to heat it on the inside. Pretty straightforward, really. There we go, all done. Got to be careful not to put too much heat on here. It can stain it if you put too much heat on too quickly. Just give it a bit of a clean up now and job done. So I'm just about to heat shrink the back window now. So guys, pretty much finishing up here. I hoover every car after I've been in and out of it, even if it's, you know, I won't do it if it's absolutely massively caked in like mud and dirt. Obviously this is acceptable. I'll hoover this now and it'll be job done. Right, the Grandland is hoovered out. This is the finished look. Pop the wiper down it. Alright, the Grandland's finished. Now I've got the Golf out there, you can see. There's a T5 just around the corner. Get the T5 in next, get that one done. The Golf can go out, be done later on, because that's no massive rush, but these two have to be done by today. Right, T5's now in. This is getting full privacy limo tint, 5% all the way round, from sliding doors all the way around to the other side. Next one, let's go. So the back quarter's done now, just the sliding doors left to do, as I nearly fall over it again. Alright, T5's done. That's like a brand new vehicle now, it's been tinted. looking down through. Just changes the whole look of the vehicle. Doesn't look like so much like a goldfish bowl anymore. Ding dong, right, next up the Golf. Right, I've just finished weeding Lee's Barum engine stickers out. I'm going to get them backed and then get them over to him so he can start getting them out with his engines. Once I finish this, it'll be onto the Golf, tinting vehicle number 3. So they're all individually cut. Don't worry, I ain't giving him this one or this one, but I'm guessing if you're lucky enough to have your work done by Lee, you'll be getting one of these very soon with your engine build possibly. Look where we are, Barum Engines. So I just got back from dropping the stickers to Lee. Now I'm going to get on with this brand new 22 plate Volkswagen Golf. Might not get it completely finished today, but I'll give it a go. If not, I'll get it done first thing in the morning. I've had to do a voiceover here, guys. I left the radio on. Anyway, the Golf was done. All in the factory 20% tint, as you can see here. Definitely changes the whole look of the car. Definitely makes it look way sportier. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. I literally just got in, completely forgot to record the ending of the video at work. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you want to see in future videos, any ideas. If you want to see more tinting, then tips and tricks and how-tos on tinting, then I can do that. There'll be more PPF videos coming up, and I've got some other content gonna start in the next few weeks. So like and subscribe. See you on the next one.